In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Smartsheet trial. This walkthrough is specifically for anyone who started a Smartsheet trial without entering a credit card. The good news is that you have two simple paths. You can let the trial run its course, or you can deactivate it immediately from your account settings. I'll explain both so you can choose what works best for you. First, the hands-off option. If you do nothing at all, your trial will naturally end after 30 days. When that happens, Smartsheet automatically switches your account to a free read-only version. That means you can still sign in and view your sheets and dashboards, but you won't be able to create new items or edit existing ones. Since you never added a credit card, there's nothing to charge, so you won't see any unexpected fees. One important note about data retention. If your account stays inactive for 90 days, your data will be deleted. Inactivity simply means you're not using the account. If there are projects you'd like to reference later, consider saving copies outside of Smartsheet or keeping an eye on your activity so you don't unintentionally cross that 90-day threshold. Now, if you prefer to end the trial right away, you can deactivate immediately from within Smartsheet. Start by clicking the account icon, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the Smartsheet interface. From there, select Plan and Billing Info to open your subscription details. In that section, click the Cancel Account button. You'll be given the choice to switch to the free version. Select Switch to Free. As soon as you do, your trial status ends and your account moves to the free read-only tier. Again, because there's no credit card on file, there's no charge at any point in this process. Both approaches lead to the same place, a free read-only account where you can still access your information but not modify it. The key difference is timing. Letting it expire requires no action from you. Deactivating immediately is a quick manual change if you want to wrap things up now. Whichever route you choose, remember that data that sits untouched for 90 days will be removed, so plan accordingly if you think you'll need access later. That's all there is to it. Whether you wait out the 30 days or switch to the free version today, you can cancel your Smartsheet trial confidently and avoid charges when no payment method was provided.